McGee. I am the Morah, the Torah teacher. I'd like to give you a brief overview of what the channel is about, what I offer, and where I'm going to go. A couple of different teaching emphasis that I am really working on. I do want to say that my goal is to teach and to train the elect saints for the last days, which I believe we live in. I believe that a lot of the information that I teach, I want to say, just as a warning, I do not teach a fundamentalist Torah. This is not your grandmother's Bible stories, all right? I teach the meat of the word, as Paul says, and I teach and I try to equip people and get ready for what I believe is soon coming, which is called disclosure. We are not alone. So I want to explain a few things about my channel. Now, I do teach. I have many videos on things, the giants, the Nephilim, serpent seed, the two houses of Israel, which I totally think is actually foundational right now, as you begin to understand what the Ruach HaKodesh is doing in the earth today. I believe that there are demons and angels, but I believe that we totally need to update our understanding. Angels are not little cherubs on a shelf. They're nothing to be laughed at. They're very intelligent energies that are all around us. And this can be more and more scientifically explained and proven. I teach the Kabbalah. I teach out of Jewish Kabbalah, Jewish mystical traditions, which is called the oral Torah. There's a side of the oral Torah. This is what it is. It is the mystical understanding, and as most of you know, with the invisible world. Remember, you'd be surprised. 90% of what is unseen, and these are the realms that are described very aptly in the Zohar. But they use keys, they use codes. It's allegorical, and you have to understand what they're referencing. So I'm beginning to be able to learn and impart, and hopefully a more and more linear and logical way, what's going on. This is in Jewish exegesis. This is called the ha-Sod level. There are 4 levels, and it's an acronym PARDS. I do not teach, like I said, the Peshat level, and I do not teach the Halakha. I do not teach the Drosh level, per se. I stick pretty much with the Remez and with the ha-Sod, and I have playlists on all that. That'll be very enlightening. And I think that it's important to understand here, too, that in this, as I come into the Jewish understanding, come back to my Hebrew roots, understand the depth of Torah that Judah has been keeping in the house, it's important. There's 2 areas that I'm going to continue to try to organize and put out in a way that the Ephraimite mind, because I know it can understand and grasp that, and it all does relate to Messiah. Messiah is all over the esoteric understanding. He is, like he said, Yeshua is the spirit of prophecy. There's 2 areas in this tradition. There's what is called the acts of creation. There is this whole understanding of how the heavens, and not just the physical heavens, the heavens were set up, and the metaphysics. Remember, the metaphysics of the other dimensions. Much is known, much has been lost, and much is in the process of being recovered. It is science, it is psychology. Remember, there's nothing new under the sun. It is a full understanding of all, we're not alone. Who are the different races? What is their purpose and plan and their relationship to us? It is the unsealing of prophecy spoken of by the prophet Daniel for this time. And it is, in last time, it is the tree of life. I am more and more convinced that, and I have been on this, making charge, but checking my research from every angle like this, that the tree of life is solid. It is the spiritual foundation. It is what the prophets, the priests, the sages of Israel knew, and it is the information, again, it's been kept very locked down in the house of Judah. It's being taught all over, even Judah, because it is time. This is the light, some of the light for the nations, that's going to bring great glory to Yahweh, to unite the tribes and bring the nations under the banner of Messiah, the high Elohim of Israel. But then, blessings. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, share, and if you can, definitely support us. So, shalom. See you on the journey.